Assalamu alaikum, dear YouTuber. Today we will learn how to add how to add an indie screen and card on your YouTube video, and then you can promote your YouTube channel. You can add subscribe link, and you can add your others video link in the last 30 seconds in your YouTube video. So without talking so much, let's start. At first you have to go to your channel and you have to click on upload button, and you have to start uploading a video. Okay, it takes a little bit time as my internet connection is a little bit slow, and you have to choose select file. Okay, and then you have to choose your selected video, preferred video to upload, and then it will start to uploading the video. Okay, so here it's started to uploading the video, and you can add this you can add in the meantime your description. Okay, I will just simply show you how to add indie screen to your video. Okay, here after uploading 100% you will get this and indie screen and add cards. In video elements you have to choose okay, and you can click on you have to click on add button here in the indie screen, and then you will find this type window, and here you have to click on add element. Okay, here clicking add element you will find video or playlist create, subscribe, channel create. Using this video or playlist create you can add another video link in last 30 seconds. I am adding my video. There are three options: most recent upload, best for viewer, choose a video or playlist. Most recent upload will automatically feature the most recently uploaded, and best for viewer is allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit for the viewer. I am adding just most recent uploaded video and create element. Simply it will start working, and there you can see it added a last 30 second link there. I can add at least 4 at most 4 element. Yeah, I added 2 element, and I have to give a space, and you can use only this window. Okay, you have to click on save and click return to YouTube Studio. Okay, it will take to the main window, and simply it takes a little bit time. Okay, simply you have to click on visibility and click on publish, make public, and create publish. Okay, your video will be published on YouTube, and the last 30 minutes you will find your added link. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.